away from my TP, and we reversed 700 points. 700.
Yeah, dude, that's insane. Yeah, I know
Like,
Axel. Sorry, go ahead.
like I genuinely have to cut them at open, right?
I honestly think you have to. Yeah,
It's like unbelievable. How does that happen, bro?
dude, I don't even know. Honestly,
What happened? What news was there? There had to have been something. There had to have been.
honestly, I don't even know. DMP knows like the news and stuff.
He in here.
I know. He like you're gonna have to wait for him. I really don't know honestly.
Bro, he probably woke up, looked at the chart, and said, "Nah, I'm going back to bed."
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I almost like just slept in today.
Yeah, honestly, I don't want to trade. Might just be might just be evals.
Yeah, I'm trading evals today.
I'm in shock, bro. I don't even want to see my Robinhood when the market opens, bro.
Man.
You got any Xanax for me?
No.
Might need some.
I'm about to buy TPTs.
Hmm?
I'm about to buy the TPTs.
To be honest, bro, I don't think today's the day you want to start them.
Well, I have to buy them. I'll just flip
Oh
a
yeah, well you could
micro.
flip.
Yeah, and then I'll just
Yeah,
fucking
yeah.
close it.
I don't think you, dude. This does not look like a trade day.
Yeah,
Like, what are we targeting?
I'm just gonna buy them
Like,
today and
well,
then
we're gonna look for shorts. Like,
no, I agree. I'm just gonna buy them today, flip a micro, and just call it a day.
no, I think that's valid. The only things I could see happening is maybe 075 and 055. But
Even
like,
even that.
honestly, bro, I want to roll over. Like, I want to take. I mean, I have to get out of these contracts, but I really want to like buy another swing.
I
Like,
mean,
I don't know if that sounds crazy.
you could. It's just scary. Like, just the way that the market looks now. The 1 hour and the 4 hour looks super bearish now.
I mean, I agree, but also think about what that 4 hour looked like and that daily looked like the other day, and
Yeah.
then look what happened.
No, I mean that's
You
fair.
know,
Yeah.
I just don't even know. Like, prices rebalanced on the hourly, right? We tapped all gaps and continued, making it like a valid move down.
Yeah.
Like, it's not even like, oh, we're not even
No, this
balanced.
this move seems valid on the way down. I hate to admit it.
Yeah. Yo, DMP.
Hmm.
Yo, was there news?
Fuck no.
Huh?
Nah.
No?
Nah, bro. Whatever they did in China.
What, what do you
Whatever
mean?
they did. Well, everything in China's flipped, so whatever they do overnight is why overnight moves like this right now.
Bro, I can't believe this. You know, I was in calls and my limit was $7 away on my options at the
Oh,
top.
it's fucked.
$7 away. And then we reversed
Yes.
600 points.
Yeah, it's actually insane. I
I
I
just
shorted
can't believe it.
overnight. I
You
can't believe we kept
shorted?
shorting. Yeah. But I don't know how we kept shorting, to be honest. I didn't expect us
Bro,
to go
you
all the way
honestly
down
could have
here.
just hit sell and gone to bed, bro.
Yeah, and then woke up to my limit getting filled on the opposite end.
What do you mean?
You know, on my luck, the short of reverse if I left the limit open overnight.
Bro, but that's how there's this one guy me and Jan know. He makes so much money trading. He literally like enters. He also takes like 20 minis plus. And
Jesus.
he'll enter overnight and he'll just go to bed, break even. And he won't set any TPs unless they're like 500 points or like 300 points away or something absolutely ridiculous. And it's like he doesn't care at that point. He either wakes up to like multiple six figures
Just break you.
or nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like he'll cover his cost and everything. So like he'll look up to like a couple $100.
I just bought the TBT.
Well, back to 17K we go.
Did you
Damn.
have the sale yet, DMP?
For TBT.
Yeah.
Nah, I think it ends on Sunday.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. I just got him. I'm just gonna flip a micro and lock out. I don't think I'm gonna trade this price action.
Yeah, I might not. I mean, well, if we leave like previous day low open, I might trade down into it. That's about it. Or why do I have this market previous day low? Whatever, like Tuesday's low day.
But
Tuesday's low. Day.
alright, just flip the micro. I'm locking out.
Valid.
You locked out?
Yeah, I just locked out.
Good boy.
I'm not trading.
Not actually. I wasn't even fucking with you.
No, I'm not.
No news today either. On a Friday after we done 500 overnight, bro. I really, to be honest, should just lock out of my TPT account right now. I really should. Am I going to? Probably not. Am I going to regret it? Probably.
Yo, did you guys listen to Drake?
He dropped too many albums, bro.
He dropped 3
There's
albums
too much.
last
I'm
night.
trying to listen to him.
I didn't listen to shit, but
He dropped 3 albums. You know that?
yeah.
3 at once. Come on, bro. How am I supposed to listen?
How am I supposed to?
Yeah, like what? I have to spend an entire day. In Maid of Honor, the first 2 songs are good.
I haven't listened to shit. I'm gonna
That's the
listen
only
today.
one.
Yo, also, from CPI, I bought an account through Alpha, and I had the data, like, I never updated the data. How can I update the data? Like, I gotta buy data or something?
You got to contact support.
I just gotta
You have
contact.
to
That shit's
buy
it's like,
an alpha. You have to buy.
Yeah, I bought an
No.
Alpha account, but it wouldn't let me trade it for CPI.
Yeah, they make you buy.
what, trade of it, right?
Yeah, through Tradeovate.
Yeah, just message support and they'll give you the access. I don't know why it does that. I had to contact them for my accounts.
Bet.
I almost had to pay too, and when I went to look, this shit said, what did it say, $41 a month? I'm not paying for data on a sim.
Bruh, that's ridiculous.
TBT used to
But
make
I'm pretty
it.
sure. See, that's whack.
Yeah, TBT actually used to make you pay for it.
That's
Unreal, to be honest.
support usually they'll just give you access to it. It takes them like, bro, Alpha support is insane. They literally fucking messaged me back in like 1 minute.
That's fire.
I didn't realize on the thing it says add Tradeovate subscription, so I just requested it. I'm gonna see if I can get it just through that.
See, I did that and then it just like never activated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
today's
like
the
when I
type
clicked
of
it again. Well,
Sorry.
not
No,
bad.
I was just saying, today's the type of day where if you enter trade, you go break even instantly. And
I mean,
just-
realistically, like we're down 500 points, but like we might just keep going because like, bro, when's the last time we had like an actual retrace on the higher time frame?
I think we have to retrace back into the overnight range at some point, though. We can't just dump with no rebalance. Like we're gonna have a fat overnight gap. We're gonna have to dig into it a little bit.
I mean, maybe. I don't know. We're just like, this shit is just pure stair stepping down. What else? What do we have above
Respecting
us?
all the higher time frame gaps.
Yeah.
So, Jan, what do you think? Cut out open? Just
I mean, unfortunately, bro, I don't
Is it gonna be in profits at all when you cut?
bro,
Or is it
no.
just-
I was up like 70%, and that shit's gonna be fucking gone. I'm gonna be negative 30 at least.
Did you simulate the returns?
I don't want to open Robinhood, to be honest with you. Let's do it. Fuck it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hopefully we get
I
a
don't know what they
fucking
did
Drake it open, bro. Oh my god, I don't even want to look. I'm $7 out the money now, bro. Oh my god. Simulate my returns. Yeah, they're going to be down 25%. I was up 70 yesterday.
My God.
Jeez.
Yeah,
Dude, I can't get into my fucking Take Profit Trader account.
what?
I don't know. It's not letting me in. Now it lets me in.
I
Eight,
called
8 hours later.
I called my guy yesterday for the car. I think it's gonna happen.
What'd he say?
It's gonna happen. He wants 15 and a half for it. I was like, you know what? Fuck it, bro. Let me just do it.
Bro, what?
What?
For what?
The car.
What'd you do? Oh, I thought you meant for your car that's in the
Oh no. The gray
the shop.
BMW.
Oh.
So I didn't realize the MP. The guy he pulled the motor from a donor car from a donor E36 M3 and swapped it. So it's got an S52 with 63,000 miles on it.
Huh.
So it's
That's actually valid.
yeah, that's valid as shit. Honestly, he there's a lot of shit that he just did. It's full custom interior, full custom paint job. I love it, dude.
Yeah, that shit gonna be tough.
Yeah, your car's sold to fucking Africa, bro. That shit's gone already.
Yeah, I don't know what to do about my car. I'm just gonna go into the shop today, honestly.
Yeah, honestly, just show up. Don't even tell them.
I'm gonna just
Wait, where's your car?
next to the
Nowhere
Deer
to be
Park train
found.
station.
He
Why?
doesn't know what that is.
I know, but like
What?
it's next to like our train station that's in like the bad neighborhood.
Yeah, it's not a good area.
You left it there?
Well, yeah, it's getting the brakes and the suspension and all that work done.
Bro, his
Still?
car has been gone for 3 months, bro.
Yeah, that's still sitting there when you told me last time.
I have not.
And he
your
hasn't
car's
heard from them
Your
either.
car is in Africa, bro.
Yeah, it might be like actually taken apart by now.
That shit
Bro,
has
they
no
haven't even
VIN.
contacted him.
Yeah.
Yeah, what the? But you haven't called them either?
No.
No.
What
You're
the
bugging.
fuck?
Yeah,
Bruh.
I think I'm gonna show up today.
Bruh.
Just show up.
Bruh.
Yeah, don't even tell them you're coming. Just show up.
Bro, they probably think you came in there with like 20K in parts and took your shit.
I told them it was fucking fake.
They didn't believe you. They probably think you said that just to say that.
Jen, you're actually
Bro.
cooked.
3 months.
Yeah,
Gang.
Dude,
I dropped it off a week. I remember because like I just remember a week before February 22nd. So whatever that date is.
Bruh. Bruh.
Yeah.
Bruh.
your car's gone, bro.
Yeah, it might be cooked, honestly.
Yeah, I don't know. 3 months.
I don't know how you, out of all people, weren't like tweaking.
Well, the thing is, I have cars to drive, so it's not like I'm bugging for it, but I'm itching for it.
No, I meant like, where is it, kind of
I know,
thing. Like,
yeah.
I'd be bugging out.
No, I'm itching. To
Bro's gonna go to the shop and it's gonna have 4 lease on the outside. There's gonna be nothing inside.
It's just gonna be a shell, bro.
Literally, it's gonna be an empty, vacant show. Nah, 3 months is insane. You're crazy. Why? Like, what the fuck?
I don't know. Well, I also
Bro.
he called me like 2 months ago or like a month ago,
Mm.
and he was like, "Yo, like the car's been sitting, it's leaking some pretty bad oil. Like we're gonna do a full
Oh my-
DCT flush, a full bottom half end of the motor, like fix up
Oops.
all the shit." And I was just like,
Yeah, just running up your tab, bro.
yeah, I'm like, all right, what the fuck am I gonna say? Like, how am I supposed to say like, no,
No.
don't do that? So
Say nah, cut.
yeah, but I mean, the car's leaking oil and shit. I gotta get it done, or I don't know. But so that was like 2 months ago, honestly, a month and a half ago.
Scam you, bro.
But I'm gonna have to just go in,
Bro, brakes and suspension. If you lived in Florida, that would have been done in like 2 days.
No, I know, bro.
Bro, you can get your windows tinted here in like 2 hours.
Yeah,
I could have done your brakes in one day.
I know
Suspension,
you
nah, I
actually
couldn't do
probably
that.
could have.
Suspension, fuck that, because I don't mess with springs. Like suspension, when you take it off, you have to use like there's a tool that compresses the spring down to take it out.
Yeah, yeah.
And bro, if it snaps back, you're
Oh,
dead.
yeah, your face is gone.
Literally decapitated.
You turn into mush.
Yep. Cause like that, imagine the force back or like the force feedback of that spring.
Hmm.
Fried. Nah, you're insane though. Braz made one follow up about his car. I would be livid. Like I would be losing my mind. This guy is just like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, nah. It's over. I'm gonna have to just go there.
Bro wants him to take the car. Bro's about to fucking claim the car stolen, about to get paid.
I don't mind the insurance payout, but the guy put a lot of time and effort into that.
Yeah. But like, nah, you should just pull up there. Don't even call them at this point. Just go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull up, honestly.
I completely forgot that your car was in the shop this whole time. That's insane.
Dude, I deadass haven't. Like, I've been driving the trucks. Like, I need
3 months.
I need to fucking rip around a little bit.
Yeah, nah, they're insane for that. Like,
That's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna have both the BMWs, and I'm not gonna be able to drive both. It's a good plan and a half, honestly.
you can just, I would just use M3 as the M3, the E36 as a weekend car.
A weekend, really? I
Yeah.
was thinking opposite. E92 as a weekend, and then E36 as daily.
E36 will hold more value over time, I think.
Probably, yeah. But honestly, dude, like, I hate to say it, the E92 driving it, it's a hustle. It's a chore to drive.
I mean, yeah, it's just like it's like a German muscle car.
Yeah. I gotta
I mean, the E36 is gonna feel like more. I think it's gonna feel more rough. It's gonna be more driver oriented. It's not gonna have all like the
bells and
electronic bells and whistles that you know about.
Yeah.
It's gonna be just pure tire to floor. You're gonna feel everything on the road with that car.
Yeah. And it's coming in manual. I've never driven a manual before, bro.
Oh fuck,
I'm a pussy, but I just said fuck it, bro. I'm buying it. I'll learn. Like, it can't be that hard.
bro! You should. I don't learn it in that car. You should go like get like
A loaner.
I would get like $1,000 beater or something like and go learn like manual on that because you would if you fly like your clutch, you're gonna be pissed.
Really? Is it expensive for clutches and shit?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I mean, I would assume like to replace like to do transmission work on a E36 wouldn't be that cheap because like parts wise would probably be you probably have to actually get your parts directly from like Germany and shit.
Yeah, yeah. Fuck.
But like, I mean, if you've never ever driven manual, I wouldn't learn in that car. But also, I don't really know how forgiving that transmission is. Like some transmissions like are forgiving where like you can kind of like have some room with the clutch, and then some are like they're strict. Like they don't give you any room.
Okay. Yeah, I've literally never even sat in the seat of a turned off manual car.
I'm sure your dad knows how to drive manual.
Yeah, no, he does, but like, I mean,
Oh yeah, he can just teach you. Then you'll be good.
Because James'
Main thing
dad's
is just not to fry.
bro.
what'd this kid say?
Wait, you say he's a what?
Fucking G.
Yeah, nah, he definitely knows how to drive manual. So like the main thing is like just not frying the clutch. So like naturally like you're gonna want to keep your foot down on like the pedal and like you don't want to burn your clutch out.
Nah, you do. You want to jolt that shit. You want to redline that bitch
Yeah.
every single time.
It's pretty simple, right? You just put the clutch in, gas it until it's basically even with the clutch, and then start like slowly letting off the clutch while you're in first gear, right?
Yeah, in simple terms. But there's like a bite point. So like every car has a different bite point on its clutch. So like your car, like that car might not move until a clutch is maybe like let's say halfway up from the floor. Whereas like another car might start moving the second you lift your foot from like the clutch a bit.
I see.
So you're just gonna have to like mess around with it and kind of like get a feel for it really.
Word. Okay. Have you?
Yeah, I'm a dip. I'll catch you guys later.
Word. Peace. Have you had a manual?
Later.
Nah, my homeboy had a manual, so I used to like take his car around a lot.
Fire. I just
It was just it was a fucking Forte coupe, like 6 speed. It was a fucking like 200 horsepower go kart.
That's fire. My buddy's got a Volkswagen too, a Volkswagen Golf.
Mhm. Oh yeah, those are sick. Yeah, my neighbor has one.
Like the small little, like not the smart car looking, but like the smart car looking one, right? Right, with the hatchback.
Kind of, yeah. It looks like a yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So he has that. This is daily. It's like tastefully built. Like it looks stock as shit, but it's like a sleeper, bro. Like when he like leaves in the morning for work, like you can hear that shit's fucked.
Yeah.
And then in the garage is a one of like 50 M4
Oh yeah, that's the
F82.
same guy. That's so far.
Yeah, the green one.
Yeah,
Dude,
the GTI.
that Java green color, bro.
Oh, I know. I had someone in my college, bro. Literally like 20 years old had a M4 Java Green. Literally.
Bro, when I went to look that car up, like you can't find them for like anything less than like 70 something to 80K.
Yeah. The kid went to
Shit's insane.
all private college Christian family was loaded.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
Yahoo is his dad.
bro. Crazy. But yeah, no, the Golf GTI, so he's got that too, so I might just learn on that and then drive the M3.
Yeah, honestly, that's valid. Honestly, the M3, since it's like a 90s car, it shouldn't be that bad of a like manual to learn it, honestly. It's gonna be a 5-speed.
Yeah, 5-speed. Just tap this 15-minute.
Yeah. I'll see if this shit even like gives opportunity to execute.
Newer manual.
Ideally, it's probably just gonna go down.
Yeah. Newer manual.
You said what?
Easier to drive than.
New manuals are way more forgiving. Yeah, newer manuals are more forgiving because they're all like electronic. They're computerized, so like they rev match for you.
So that makes sense why everyone wants.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. You're gonna have to learn how to rev match too, like to downshift.
Okay.
Or you can just like put the car in neutral for downshift, but sometimes you're gonna have to like engine brake where you'll have to go from like fourth down in a third. So you have to like put the clutch in and then like kind of blip the gas to like keep the RPMs up and then let it out and it should be like a smooth transition.
Yeah.
You'll learn it as you drive it. It's like muscle memory.
But yeah, no, dude, I'm so excited for that.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And since it's a E36 M3, I think it shouldn't have a like an open diff. I think it might have a LSD in it.
Oh, I don't know. What does that mean? Like
Meaning, if you decide to do spinny things, it should spin around very easy.
spinny things, dude. Even in my 22, I've never even spun it, bro. I'm such a bitch.
That's insane.
I've never.
Because like I have like burnt through sets and sets of tires.
I've literally never lost traction.
Nah, that's insane.
I've had other people drive my car and I've been in it lose traction, but
Nah, that E92 can like, bro. I've seen an E92 touch like every corner of a warehouse before.
oh yeah, no, I know. It's like actually like you can slide that thing so well.
Hmm.
I just, bro, like I know my luck, bro. I go to slide it, I'm gonna smack into the curb. I'm gonna fucking cops gonna be sitting in a vacant parking lot across the street. It's something bad's gonna happen. My
Well,
fucking power
if you smack a
steering is
curb,
gonna
all you
go
gotta do
out.
is drive away from the curb.
Yeah.
Nah, power steering is just a luxury. You don't need it. Your E36 might not have it.
Yeah, dead ass. It actually might not.
Nah, I probably will. I would. Did cars come with power steering back then? I don't know.
My dad's 65 does. So
Oh
I
yeah, that's
think
it. We good.
Yeah. This thing's pumping right here.
Low key. So there's two scenarios that can happen here. Scenario one is we come up, manipulate maybe three's internal highs, and then end up coming lower for that kind of like Tuesday low of day and the other draw, like an AM low from like Wednesday or whatever. Or we actually start buying up from here into London high, which is a 4-hour gap. It's like a retrace.
Wait, you said out of the 4-hour gap?
Yeah, so basically either like this buy up here, we just like manipulate a little higher and then come lower, or like we can buy up and then like target London and that like 4-hour gap, London to 4-hour gap basically.
Got it. So, kind of what I'm looking at, not really crazy time frame alignment, but looking at ES, you can see that we're inside of the daily
Mm.
fair value gap. So then scaling down
See.
to the 1 hour,
Mm.
like for time frame alignment, we have the 1 hour fair value gap, and then we just reswept the low, so they're changing the state is at new now order block. So now if we change,
Yep.
if we close both the IFG and the CISD from that daily fair value gap from the ES, I mean this could
Mm.
then send us back higher. But again, like I just the thing
I mean,
is
realistically, just like where are we at fib wise, even
like we have
hourly
a
fibs.
bunch of stacked up highs. The thing is like I just don't want to fade all time highs. This is market open right here, but I hate fading all time highs.
Yeah, I mean, we're 500 points from all time highs now
Yeah, no, that's true.
at this point. So, I mean, we'll see. It's either we're gonna short all the way into like there's this 055 draw, 29055, or we just buy back up from this bottom and start to come back for all these like engineered highs, kind of.
Yeah.
This is the open. That's a weak ass candle.
Yeah, that's open.
Not even log into my accounts. I'm not gonna lie, just off of that opening candle alone, but I lock this shit. What is that?
Yeah, no, I'm glad. I'm locked. I'm not touching.
Like where?
I'm just paper trading.
That candle's not moving. It's valid, honestly.
Wow, this is a crazy fucking flip.
Yeah.
Just out of a 2
Where are we out of here?
3 minute.
30-minute gap as well.
We held that 5 minute there.
Ooh, these ranges are fucking wild.
They're big. Oh yeah, they are.
Low key, like. Sheesh.
Wow.
I see. So I think if I take anything, it's gonna be like 3D micros, maybe even 2. Shit's kind of wild.
Yeah, I took 2 micros like yesterday or the day before.
Mm. See, 5 minutes. Hmm.
Close at 15 minute. See if that holds.
Which one? The
Like bullish.
like the flip,
Small.
or the small one.
Yeah.
Let's see, we're like out of this small like 5 minute at the top of this like bearish leg, and then we have this SM2 with ES right now. These highs.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I see it actually. Yeah. Yeah.
Like internal highs, yeah. Yes, looking a bit weaker here, kind of. Wednesday. Damn, ES made like the inverse and the CISD down on the 1 minute.
Oh yeah, that looked clean honestly. Wow. I'm watching this 3 minute.
Let me see. Oh, okay, yeah.
We also have a 5 minute down here too.
Yeah, these ranges are insane. It's gonna be like 2 micros for sure.
Yeah.
Almost like I don't really hate that close for a short, but I was looking at that 1 minute to see if it inverse.
Yeah, I know. We just tapped the
But
5 minute here, so we'll see what
Yeah.
happens here.
should be like OT as well. 618 in that 5 minute. 705 is like at the bottom of the 5 minute.
Yep, yep.
Maybe take the fib on the 5 minute. Try it.
Wow, this 30 seconds not gonna be bad.
Ooh, that's a crazy flip.
It's
What
too
the
high in
fuck?
the range now. Fuck. Wow. At 30 seconds,
Damn.
not bad. Oh boy. Wow. Yeah. Massive. That was
Yeah,
a
they are
fucking
insane to come in.
40-point dump right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually insane.
The VIX is up 9% today. So I guess the higher up VIX goes, realistically, we're supposed to be like, markets are supposed to be shorting. But I guess like the big question that's been up for the month is the VIX was up like at the beginning of the month, but we were just bull running. And everyone was confused as to why we were just running when the VIX was like not aligned.
Oh, so it's saying like when it's high, it's like towards shorting.
Yeah, like when we elevate, like when the VIX elevates, like usually like we slam down hard.
Okay.
Also, they exposed like I don't know how legal this is, but like Trump was just like buying like stocks like all this time, and I guess they finally like reported about it and like just disclosed the fact that like he's just been buying all these like different like, bro.
It's insane, bro. I mean, I'm not.
He has an Intel position, a Dell position,
Yeah.
Amazon, just like a bunch of like names like Visa, all that shit. Like, can he even do that?
I mean, who's stopping him? That's the thing.
That is true. You see the V. He did flip that 3 minute, but I don't really like that flip. Proud of that 5 still too. I'm just wait. I'm gonna wait and lean more towards probably not taking anything. We'll see. HWM.
Yeah, port looks bad.
Yeah.
This is not fun.
Was a China trip what they waited on to sell everything off? Sheesh. I'm not gonna lie, even all the names that were like just holding momentum are all taking dips today.
Yep, everything is down today.
Yeah. Literally every name. It's crazy. Just hit 705.
Yep.
This 5 minute retrace. I think we might just end up slamming for like the 055 draw.
Yeah, this is dropping.
That Tuesday low of day. Yeah. So like on the daily, we're coming back into these wicks that like originally like pushed us away from the daily gap. Like that
Yeah.
Tuesday wick.
Yep. So I mean, the way that ES looks too, if we close that gap, I mean that shit's gonna look scary.
Oops. Yeah, that gap closes. It might be
It might get the CISD on the daily on NQ as confirmation, you know.
I mean, this weekly flipped red now too. Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of looks.
This looks scary. Remember, let's do the damage buy to tell the story, so we're gonna have to see how it closes, honestly. Because last week I got faked out when we almost closed out daily, and then at the end of the day I checked, was like, holy shit, like we actually brought it all the way back up.
Yeah, you always gotta wait on the close.
I've learned that mistake too many times. I've made that mistake too many times.
Yeah, that's fair. Damn, shit is just. It's obviously not inside, but if you took like the bearish fib on the 5 minute where that SMT up top was and everything, like, and then that 5 minute gap, those wicks are like inside of of like 7-9.
I actually, yeah,
Like,
I saw that from the indicator though. I caught it at like
oh, I see. Yeah,
0.62 ish.
yeah. I had. Oh, okay, yeah,
It might just be drawn like a little different, but
yeah. It might be. I don't know which high I would take it from because there's a lot of highs here. Let's see, we tapped into this 1 minute gap. We flipped the 5 minute now.
You see, they changed the Spotify logo for Drake.
They changed it for Drake.
Yeah, they changed the logo last night.
Like, where do you see the change logo? Like, just the app logo?
Yeah, like the app logo. I don't know if you use Spotify.
No, I use it, yeah. Mine looks the same.
Really? Shit, mine's like iced out.
Really? What the fuck? Maybe my shit's not updated or something.
So we closed at 5, but we held a different 5
Mhm.
at the bottom. This 1 minute looks strong
Yeah.
as hell.
Coming off 7-9 as well, too.
Yeah, SMT
At the
at
bottom,
the low.
so.
Yeah, there's an SMT at the low. Wow, that's a strong fucking buy up. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's interesting. Holy.
Holy.
Actually, that's stronger than we think because, like, yeah, it's 90 points in that candle. Holy,
Yeah. Holy fuck.
interesting. Let me get rid of this gap. Let's see. So we reflip that 1 minute.
Changing the state there.
Yeah. Realistically, we're kind of starting to get into a range.
Yeah, there's nothing's promising.
Just a wider range. Yeah.
If we're gonna be bullish, I want to see this be the bottom right here. Tap it into the IFEG right here. I want to see it slingshot up. If not, then like this thing is.
You mean like this 1 minute IFBG?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. Trying to see which side the manipulation is on realistically. I don't know if that like original like little move higher right before the open was like manipulation or I mean realistically we haven't had any. We're just still in this like range.
Yeah. No, there's nothing obvious 100% yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, this thing just looks weak. Bulls are not.
I agree, yeah.
Bulls are not here.
There's a 15-second flip there. I'm not taking it, but I just wanted to see. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like we're seeing any like chance of buying up
No.
at this point. 5 minute is back below that inverse. Bro, have you seen the Twitter account that stocks and real estate kid?
Yeah. I've seen that kid for
Bro.
like 2 years. He's a loser, bro.
Bro goes, called the crash at 9:30. What crash?
Yeah.
This shit barely fucking moved, bro.
He's a loser, bro. Trust me.
Bro, I don't even think that that's even a real person.
He's I don't know.
That shit AI.
Yeah. Every single day. Oh, I caught the 10:30 stock, 10:30 drop, whatever. Like every single day.
He's the original core seller.
Yeah.
I remember when he was calling for Bitcoin shorts and it went to 120.
Dude, the amount of
Bro was like, I called Bitcoin at the bottom and I sold everything. Now I'm calling the top. And shit just kept blasting.
The amount of times that he's just had a bad play that just has not worked. It's incredible.
Bro, kid's been like 18 for like 8 years.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
Yawn, Nasdaq. Granted, though, I guess we did move heavily overnight, and then that other day we also moved like crazy to the upside as well. Wednesday was like expansion up, overnight expanded down, and now we're in Friday AM. Might just see nothing.
Yeah, no, this just looks horrendous, honestly.
Mm-hmm. Like, nah, these ranges are insane.
Yeah, nah. What is it from the top? 2-8, like over 100 points.
From this like most recent high, yeah, 100 points. Or like from the very top high of day,
Yeah, like 100.
150.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Now imagine being a trader that doesn't like understand when to like kind of like lower your size, and you come in here and you put on 5 micros and you see your stop is $1,000.
Oh man.
Wow. This is gonna go for that 055 without an entry. See, even that 3-minute inverse didn't even like, it wasn't clean enough. Like it closed clean, but then we like bought and reclaimed it and then sold back under it.
3-minute. Oh yeah, yeah.
A weird one. Honestly, depending how you like ran stops, like that might have been like a stop trade.
Yeah, you might have gotten stopped on it.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like, I don't know. I didn't really fully love the way that it looked coming into it. I mean,
Yeah, there's nothing to short here. Like, I like the idea that we're gonna short into these draws, but then there's no like setup. The only thing I was looking for was like this 1-minute retrace up, that like 940 leg up. I was looking for like us to close and make that order block, maybe enter, but look where we closed at.
yeah, no.
That would have been like the only idea that I had, because that 1-minute retrace came in at 618, like for bearish, and then that like order block would have been like a nice confirmation of short.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, nah, dude. This thing honestly might just
But-
bleed, bro.
Yeah, it's just coming down. No entry. I think the only thing that 15-second might have ended up playing out. Yeah, it did. At least where you could go break even on it. Okay, hold up. Retrace maybe into this 1-minute gap.
Is that no? It's not first percent.
Nah, where is first percentage at? It's this 937 gap, I think.
Yeah.
Tap the 1-minute gap, low key wick that order block. What else is there around here? The lows are still intact. Only thing I don't like is how prominent of wicks that those like draws are down there that I'm looking for.
Yeah, yeah. Like, yeah. No,
Yeah, like they're just like it's more of like a wick than a body on those candles, kind of. Holy.
wow.
I will say this is the most correlated I've seen these two pairs all week.
Yeah, no. This. I mean, again, like, it looks strong, but
Mm.
if it's just to sell it off again.
And the thing is that to buy up the draw is London in that 4 hour all the way at 468. So it's like, even if you don't want to take anything from down here, you could always just try and wait for continuation where it's like clear that we're gonna go for it.
That's valid. Yeah, that's true.
So maybe like we come back above like high of day and actually like run it out and then continue. Just play long into London off of that. That's a crazy flip though from the bottom.
That is wow.
But it's like we just come down and we edge the draw. Like we edged the draw by 15, and then there's another one 34 points. Like, so I don't know. We did get the 1 minute CISD on that flip up there though, and the inverse as well on the same candle.
Let's see if this follows through.
Just like we're just not coming out of anything. Like all I see is like we just hit that 15-minute wick that I wanted to see get taken out. But this does look insane from the bottom. Wicked V shape.
Yeah, this looks pretty insane.
Low key. The thing is, all of these moves are just sending us back and forth into the range, which is like fried.
Yeah.
Let's see, 15. I mean, that's the thing. When you start scaling time frames to look for something,
That's yeah.
that means there's literally nothing.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Like the clearest time frame looks like the 1 minute. It's like I'm not gonna analyze the 1 minute for anything. 5 minute, pretty rangy. No real gaps or anything to go off of either. No S&Ts either to go off of, besides like the one at high of day.
Honestly, that just goes to show you then, like, there's really nothing, you know.
Mm. Yeah, that is.
Yeah, we're just coming straight back down.
Yeah.
Just tap this 2 minute.
Let's tap this 1 minute. Oh yeah, that's true. See, on any other day, that 2 minute flip there is clean.
Strong, yeah. It looks stupid clean. It's just.
Mm-hmm. But when you actually when you watch price in like real time, you realize like that. I don't know. It's very easy to fade that because it's just like price is not moving.
No, I agree with you. I do.
It's moving, but it's not moving. Like it's moving. Like we're in the range is huge. Like we're just not displacing. Like top to bottom, 200 points. Like that's not real.
Insane, bro. Actually insane.
Like you mean to tell me 1 mini from high of day to low of day is what, 4K?
That's insane. That's ridiculous, bro.
Like wow. Caught a low scalp. What do you take, DC? Long?
Good shit.
Holding that. Kind of held that like 1 minute BPR and like that 2 minute inverse there.
Yep. I was looking to see if there was a lower time frame. Flip. There was a
Like
15
inverse?
second, yeah, but.
I mean, we'll see. I think once we get if we get above high of day, I think we'll just like be in the buy model back into at least up towards that 4 hour in London.
Yeah, and hopefully we can find some continuation off of it.
Yeah.
I'm also watching.
This
gold.
just the structure isn't worth to play reversals off of.
Yeah. Yeah, the
Gold,
reversals.
dude, gold got rinsed.
Yeah. The reversals.
Holy. Dude, I'm sick as fuck, bro, because I shorted gold and I got break even. And like, are we dead ass?
No.
I had these equal lows marked out at 45.50 for gold.
Yeah, dude. I
Wow.
took profit at.
And another set at 45
Took profit at London.
Oh yeah, yesterday. Dude, because it like that's crazy is that I don't think it would have ever come back on you too.
Nope.
That original like trade.
Could have
Wow.
that bitch for infinity.
I'm sick of gold, bro. Like I don't know. Gold has been so annoying to play recently.
I almost took these longs at the bottom and I hesitated because of the 5 minute on gold. And
I mean, yeah, that's fair enough. I don't know. I gotta get a better read of gold. It doesn't move like Nasdaq. Like you can't just play the moves the same way. Just like super rangy. You have to be kind of like you have to have like a lot of discretion with gold.
Yeah, you do.
Pretty interesting bio up here. Correlated as well.
Mhm.
Wait, hold up. So we have some form of SMT at the bottom, but it's like not at the actual low. It's like internal.
Okay.
So it's not like the external low. It's an internal low instead. But there is one down there. Wow, that's a crazy bio. Like really?
It's insane, bro. Actually.
If we end up taking high of day, we'll have an SMT with ES until it catches up.
I mean, that 2 minute tap, bro. Look at how fucking insane that is.
Yeah, that is. 2 minute inverse retest, the 1 minute BPR, the regular like just bullish gap.
Yep.
It's actually crazy. The CISD, the 1 minute CISD inside the gap.
Yep.
Wow.
I bet you the bottom point was close to equilibrium too.
I bet leg like a little small leg.
Yep. Oh, we tapped
see.
equilibrium to the tick, bro.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. What the fuck, bro?
I'm telling you, bro.
I mean, I did it for long. It's not invalid still.
Yeah. All we need to do, bro, wait for the obvious IFG and just limit the IFG tap. That's it.
I mean, yeah, realistically, I mean, that's like, I just like, why do we edge the lows at the bottom?
I know. That was dumb.
Like if Enki would have swept, because obviously he has held like much higher. If Enki would have swept that nice external SMT, then that flip, I mean, shit, I'm in there.
Yeah. Wow, gold's running too, bro. I'm pissed.
Did you see that the president of China told Trump that, that they shouldn't be rivals, they should be working together or something like that?
I did not see that. No.
It was like in a conference, and he told Trump that like they should be working together and not like rivaling each other.
Wow.
They should be getting along.
I mean, shit, bro. You were just saying
Bro,
that
China
yesterday.
and the U.S. Deadass, bro. I mean, it's like, bro, the two best superpowers in the world. Why not just be friends? Then we can be one giant big superpower together. The funny thing is, if that ever happened, Russia would not like that.
Well, I was just gonna say we'd go for Russia right away.
Yeah, literally. And then North Korea would align with Russia and fry us. I'm scared of North Korea, bro. I feel like North Korea has shit that we don't know.
Or just playing, glass half empty kind of guy. Kim Jong-un sees how bad, the world has gotten and is sheltering his people from the rest of us.
Very possible. I really want to know. I want to know the true stigma of like North Korea. Is it like truly as oppressed as they make it seem, or is that just like what the media tells us and like whole time it's actually like insane over there?
Yeah, honestly.
No, we would never know.
Honestly, I have no idea.
But I think it's fucked. They don't even have internet access, really. Like, I don't. I think it's fried.
No, I think it's fried too. I'm just joking, but like, I don't know the state that the world is in, and like the leaders and everything. Like, not to get all conspiracy theorists, but he could be protecting his people.
I mean, shit. With these world leaders, you can't even protect people, bro. If they want them dead, they're dead.
No, I know.
So this flip down is pretty crazy, but made a relative equal high at the top.
Yeah, I can't believe
No sweep, no SMT.
sold that fully off, and it's not even like it's a
So guess
witching day or anything, right? Like it's just
Today's OPEX.
Is it
No,
OPEX?
what is it? Whatever. Yeah, I think Rem said something about today being OPEX.
Oh,
Whatever that means.
If it's OPEX, then it kind of makes sense why the market's so
Let me see.
ass.
What is OPEX exactly?
It's like when
Option expiration
contracts expire.
or operating expense? Oh no, I just didn't search it right. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Option expirations. So what is that? That's like the second Friday of each month, I think.
Yeah, it's like when most of the contracts expire and then they make new ones and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So fair enough that we're kind of just doing whatever.
Yeah.
Well, that makes it much easier for me to also not trade.
Yeah, no, I'm not. Fuck this. There's a line. I was
Yeah,
trying not
I'm
to
not
say
paid.
it.
Fuck this.
There's
Yeah, we flipped back off. See, I would have liked this if we, re-swept the highs and made the SMT.
Mm-hmm.
Why do we just make a relative equal high and then sell it all?
I know, it makes 0 sense, bro.
Yeah. I'm just gonna preserve capital
Yeah.
on my evals, so it doesn't even matter.
Nah, today's not the day to be risk on, honest.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. I gotta get this stack passed. The alpha and Tradeify stack could be pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
Could be.
I'll be on the TPTs next week. So
I need to get on TPT. I'm just waiting for the market to be just complete trending, like we have been, but like it's not like how like Biden all time highs where it was literally just as free as dip down, retrace, buy up. Like it's been kind of like you have to be kind of picky where you buy the retraces while all time highs here.
100%. Yeah, agreed.
So it makes trailing accounts hard.
Yeah, it's a super hard market to be in right now.
They're just trailing prop firms are just like hard to use when the market is always kind of like bouncing back and forth between your entry.
Yeah, I mean, especially if you. Well, the thing is, like, the trailing drawdown can easily fuck you because if you take a trade on like a day today, like say you caught that long and you were super precise, if you didn't get full TP because you put it at the high and you got stopped at break even, like the account's probably down.
Exactly.
Like,
So if you're up like let's say $1,000, it comes break even, you're actually down $1,000 now.
Yeah, you only have $500 in drawdown.
That's so stupid though. Like trailing drawdown is so garbage. Like I don't get that, bro.
Well,
but I guess like the incentive is if you get to live with them, you get end of day, like the Pro Plus accounts. So I guess that's the incentive behind it. See, that's actually the method. That's like the one only firm I think going live with is worth that, and like Lucid. Lucid actually gives you multiple lives.
Yes. TPT and Lucid are really the only firms to go live with.
Yeah. I think Tradeify actually gives you 5 live accounts as well. I'm not too sure though. I'm not 100%. But I do know TPT's live is probably the best. You get 5 accounts. It's live markets and it's end of day drawdown.
And it's 90% split.
Mm.
So on the pro accounts.
And like they're not going to ban you because when you make money, they make money as well.
Exactly. They're an actual like legit firm, like in my eyes.
Yeah, no, for sure.
And I'm pretty sure the only way to get live is if you make 10K in a day or something.
I think perhaps. I think yeah. If you get like a 10K profit like P&L, then they'll like automatically just move you. Bro, I literally saw a guy do $9,995. Bro, that shit was funny. And then someone in the comments was like, "Go ahead, bro, make that extra 5."
Yeah.
Bro's like, "Nah, I'm good." See, look at this shit. I would have shorted. This shit would have come right back up. Yeah, I'm not trading this.
No, it's not worth it, honestly.
Trade 10 a.m. We haven't even moved.
Honestly, dude, I'm just getting ready to hop right back into bed. This shit is fried.
This shit might be garbage.
This 1 minute flip is probably the nicest one I've seen out of the 2 minute. Nice break even spot, target low day.
Okay. Not too bad, actually.
Didn't even get the flip.
Nope. Why would we? Now they're going to send it.
Yeah. Probably just going to slam it. ES flipped it.
Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, part of me wanted to drive that, but I'm just gonna lock these shits.
Nah, yeah, it's not worth it. If it's not like because dude, the way that my head goes, like when I force these types of trades, they always don't play out. But when I get a winning trade, it's
Yeah,
because it was, everything like
it was
exactly what I
obvious.
wanted to see happened.
Yeah, exactly. See, look at that.
Exactly.
I would have been pissed.
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
Yeah, no, I locked these out. I'll
Good.
just
Yeah.
come back to them for next week.
Nah, it's
I mean, I can't even pass them today anyway. At least the Tradeify like I still need like 1,500 more, and then I still need like 2 more days for the consistency. So that's for next week. Alphas I could pass on one day, but then they have that stupid ass like daily loss limit.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, yeah.
just wait on next week and see. Actually want to check and see like what kind of news we might have next week. This week was actually kind of. I mean, it wasn't like dry, but for CPI week, it was pretty.
CPI candle was dry as hell.
Oh yeah, that candle wasn't even real. They actually got to reimburse everyone for that.
That shit was bad, bro.
That ass. Next week looks alright. Not too bad. Not too shabby. I do want to see if this ends up delivering down to 055 or not, though. Lower.
Yeah, yeah. I'm down to see.
But yeah, just tape read it. Don't have to take anything. Tape read, maybe they give us a spike and kind of recover our port to close the week because holy.
I would love it.
I'm pretty sure, yeah, my port sold off every gain it's made this week.
Wow. Holy shit.
That is insane. 1 week of gains sold off in one night of speaking. W Trump.
Yeah, 30.
Nvidia's down 4% today.
Wait,
Oh
what is
my God.
Nvidia?
Yeah,
Holy shit.
everything is just red
Yeah, everything's red.
except PLTR.
Really? I like that.
Yeah, Microsoft as well. Microsoft's actually up 1.8%. That's very interesting.
Wow.
Interesting. But yeah, I mean, everything else is just gone.
Yeah.
Crypto is down.
Intel's taken a beating recently too.
For Intel, it's probably just like some profit taking but the next leg up will happen.
Yeah. Hopefully.
I mean, I just think about it like when institutions have their money in a name, they obviously don't have their money there if they ever thought like that name was going to lose its value. It'll
Yeah.
take dips and they'll just keep buying.
No, you're right. You're right. It's good to just be level-headed like that. And the way that I'm thinking I'm holding the rest of the position, like I'm holding it for the long-term capital gains now, because it's.
I mean, you've already secured you've secured good profits, and on top of that, like if Intel even gets into the point where it does look like it's gonna come like slamming down, I mean, you're gonna know, and then you'll be able to close before
Exactly.
you even come out of profit to any extent. It's basically impossible that position comes out of profit now. Pretty much,
No,
that's the thing.
the only way it were to go red is if Intel dropped below $26.
Exactly, and like I mean, if that happened, when there's some bigger things to talk about at that point.
No, I'm definitely holding these cons for a little bit longer, a while.
Yeah, now it's chilling.
And then also the NBIS call. So I had the monthlies and then I had the Leap. I basically own the Leap now for free. So I'm holding that shit for until next year too.
Oh yeah, that's chilling. MBS I think has a lot of room because they're just now starting to kind of like gain value.
Yep.
They're only worth 56 billion.
Well, that's what I mean, bro. Like the market cap's not big. Like it's
Not big. It's not big for what their
what
business is like
sector
covering.
they're in. Yeah.
Yeah. Because over time, like all these tech companies, if they're truly valuable, all these tech companies will start to put money into them and then raise their value, obviously, and then obviously the shares go up as a result.
Yeah,
I think that's a good long-term hold.
Yeah, I'm down to just literally hold this bitch.
It's just on sides with like strength, right? We're just obviously in like the tech area, so you just want to be on sides with that shit. See, my short would have got fucking rinsed,
Hell yeah, bro. It's a pat. Go fucking pat yourself on the back for that.
right?
It's just, like, avoidable losses like that are just so huge, bro. Like, because your day could be.
They are. I mean, it's like pattern recognition. You're recognizing like the fact that the market is not offering you anything at all.
And I mean, dude, just seriously look at that gap. Like, look at how we held that gap. Like, we did not close it whatsoever.
Exactly. Yeah. No, it never came down and closed, but we sat in it for about 5 minutes straight.
Mm-hmm.
Mondays and Fridays, man.
Bro, seriously, Mondays and Fridays.
I think Big Charles saying that he was saying Monday and Wednesdays are his worst days, and he's gonna start avoiding Monday and like hopefully it preserves mental capital for the rest of the week for him.
I saw that actually too. That Mondays were his worst day.
Mm.
Yeah.
I think I was coming to Monday like mentally de-risked. Like I come into Monday and I'm not really like looking to put size. I'm just looking to like if there's a clean setup, I'll just catch like a light size and just kind of like build momentum for the week.
See, it's kind of crazy because Monday I feel like is my best day.
Really,
Yeah. Friday's my worst day though, by far.
for me, I'm just coded to think that like Mondays to start the week is like kind of like the build the tape type of day, kind of like build price, and then going through the rest of the week is like kind of running off of that initial like consolidation or whatever happened.
Fair, fair. The way I think about it, like, I want to be super, super good for the start of the week, so I'm like super precise. But then by the end of the week, I'm like losing that like, discipline or whatever.
It's probably just like it's like the natural burnout through the week.
Yeah.
I can't believe how rangy this is though. Like how wide the range is, but how like compressed it is.
People probably fucking retired off these ranges today. Range
Or
traders.
they reverse retire.
Yeah. Generation set.
Prop firms are getting paid today. Honestly, prop firms are probably getting paid. Like, bro, this is the funny thing about this is it's truly seeking to shore, really. Like, because we haven't really come out and taken out like TP draws, if that makes sense.
So you mean to tell me that TPT just hypothetically randomly chose the best week of all time to put out the biggest sale? Yeah, okay.
Apex also ran their 90% this week again.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
I always find that interesting as well. It's like they put out these huge sales and then price ends up being fried.
Yeah, I mean, realistically, it's probably just a coincidence, but it's just like crazy every single time.
Bro, remember that one CPI day, bro, where I was like, bro, Alpha added the ability to trade 5 accounts.
Yes.
Is that not weird? And then that day, CPI was fucking cooked.
Yeah, bro.
Like no matter what, if you got filled on CPI that day, you blew it because like it literally like I think wicked like up then down then back up.
I don't know, man.
And that was the day they decided to give Max Allo 2 extra accounts with the code.
Yeah, something's
So
weird.
fried, bro. How do they know?
I really have no idea. Genuinely.
It's actually insane. Because yeah, realistically, like if you took advantage of the TPT discounts, like the price action this week would have made it kind of hard to have passed those accounts.
100%.
Confidently, yeah. These firms are working against us, bro. They don't want to see us win.
Oh, not at all, bro. Not at all.
Days like this, though, I get curious to see, like, if someone won, I want to see, you know, what they actually caught. This is where I go and reverse engineer people's setups.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I don't... SMT at the low... I don't know.
Dude, this guy on Twitter got slipped on his Top Step Live. Like, bad. He had a 5K stop loss. That shit slipped him for a 19K loss.
Holy fuck.
He said that
Gross.
his position wouldn't sell off after spamming X and there was no volatility or anything. It just wouldn't execute. That's actually fucked up.
That's so gross.
Out of a live. So it was like his actual, like, funds at that
Actual
point.
money. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. China, US agreed to set up trade investment councils. Oh, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Okay.
So now we just go higher, huh? But yeah, today is OPEC. Someone else just tweeted about it. Trade investment councils. What does that mean? Like they're basically negotiating to do business with each other? Is that what that is?
It must be, honestly. That's kind of what my head thinks, yeah.
What would the economy look like if China and the US became allies?
I don't know. Honestly, I would just I don't know. China is sick though. Just from what I see online, like China looks so dope.
And that's what I'm saying. I feel like I feel like that's like that would be a W partnership, to be honest.
Yeah, I know.
Imagine being able to get all their tech.
Like that would be insane.
Like, bro, they make the first thing I'm getting is a Huawei phone.
Yeah, no, deadass.
That shit is like, dude, that phone is insane. It's like literally like a supercomputer in your hand.
Hmm. I mean, it's banned in the U.S. for a reason, bro. We can't keep up.
Or like they have like those glasses or like the earbuds that like translate like perfectly by the word.
Mhm.
Like you can just wear them and then talk to anyone, it'll translate.
Apple just made that now.
I think they made like a some kind of like a prototype. Didn't Apple like, I don't know, they made like some prototype and they unveiled it, but I don't think they ever like released it.
Yeah,
I thought the little like VR that Apple made was kind of cool, but that died off. It didn't really
the
do
Vision
well.
Pros.
Yeah, I thought they were sick, bro. I saw this guy like put himself like on a beach and then put up trading view screens in the sky and start trading off the like Vision Pros.
That's insane. I've seen those Vision Pros are pretty dope.
Yeah, I think it was the price point that kind of like threw people off. 'Cause I think you could get, is it the Meta goggles? I think the Meta like kind of VR are more cheap, like they're cheaper. I think the price point was that threw people off.
Yeah. The Oculus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one thing I want to get. I want to get like a proper sim racing setup.
Me too. I mean, dude, if you want to do it, go through Alibaba. Trust me.
Yeah, now for sure. Because like going through a brand, they want like 20K for like a proper rig.
Yeah, you can fully customize it through Alibaba. Get whatever stitching, like get a top of the line for basically what you would pay like a decent one here.
Hmm.
That's the way.
Bro, you know how many people have gone like pro like racing and drifting off of just playing sim?
Really?
Yeah, like I don't know if you've heard. I don't know if you know Optic Crim 6. It was like an
Oh.
Optic like a long time ago, like when we were kids. But
Not Scumpy,
yeah, he was like the
right?
redhead guy. No, not Scumpy, the other guy. He had like a beard. He was also redheaded.
So I
but
probably
he,
do remember him, honestly. Yeah.
Yeah, so he was a COD pro, but he got into like sim racing super heavy, and like he converted from sim racing into like real racing. Like he races like Porsches on tracks now, and he's won like trophies and everything from like actual races in real life. And like all his practice was like pretty much through sim.
That's actually pretty sick. Wow.
Mm-hmm. There's like 15-year-olds in Formula Drift and shit that are qualifying because they're learning how to drift on their sim setups at home.
Good shit, Rob. Wow, this gold's gonna fucking play out.
Yes. Let me see. Yeah, wow. I mean, if China and the US were to get into like trades, wouldn't gold be like a main commodity
Yeah, like
potentially?
I honestly think that this could be like a low. Like
a bottom.
yeah, like a bottom right here. Honestly, I've been watching gold. I don't know. This could be it right here, and we just rip now. I was trying to get into a position and just like swing it like over the weekend and like just hold it, but that was it right there. I think.
Can't believe this shit's just buying up. I mean, I can, but I can't.
Yeah. Right at OTE too of the 1 minute.
Yeah, right, I had that marked out for a little bit, and I took it off. I was like, "There's no way that that's gonna be like a valid OT." And well, 705.
Oh, look at this thing pump. I wonder if Rosie sold his
Yep.
clothes.
Oh yeah, I mean, hopefully not.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe we did just go put a bottom and just go straight back.
Nah, Rod. Did you take anything today?
We weren't able to see anything. Nothing clear, at least.
Short earlier at open fire. Yeah, 1 minute like CISD flip.
Yeah. Honestly, I was looking at it, but I would have got break even because I would have held for 055 and it would have just reversed. mean, now at this point, we're above high of day. Probably just gonna go for that London high and that 4 hour gap finally.
Yeah. First day on the
Took a different short on my top step live. That's sick.
bro. That's insane. Good shit.
Oh, you mean like the actual
Top step
the
live.
actual top step brokerage?
Yeah.
Like the brokers that you can go and like deposit into and like trade? That's sick.
Dude, I know.
Is that out already or is that like an early access thing?
I think it's an early access thing, right? I know someone that's on it
Might
too,
be
bro.
okay.
I have a crazy
Mhm.
story for you, bro. Rod.
So wait, so with that live, is the margins the same as like an amp live or like what's the advantage to being on their live versus like a different broker?
Honestly, I don't know.
Or is it that you just get like top step X? Like I wonder, like if the margins and everything are lower, that's actually W.
Well, so margins on amp are only $300 for a mini. It's mad cheap.
Oh, yeah, that's not bad at all.
Yeah. Bro, like, well, to put into perspective, on Robinhood, to buy one micro, not a mini, a micro, it's
Mhm.
$3,500.
Yeah, that's Fred.
It's ridiculous.
So it's like so it's like 35K for a mini.
Yeah, yeah. Literally.
That's
And it's
disgusting.
300 on amp.
Huh? I wonder how Amp's able to keep their margins so much lower. 'Cause I think even Tradeovit's like 1,000 a mini. I think
Yeah. Wow. You only need 100
charts every reason. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's really just like I guess top step X, like having all those settings and shit. That's valid.
So I know
Only the
someone,
100 mark.
I know someone that got early access to it, bro. He had 20K
Mm.
in the account. I'm not joking when I say this. Like, it's gonna be hard. Like, it. I didn't believe it at first, bro. He actually made $1 million in 2 days on it. Like,
What the fuck?
yeah, he trades bottom and top ticking, and like, dude, this kid actually made $1 million on the live brokerage. Like, I have a picture of it. I have a picture of,
That is fucking insane.
bro. Like, I couldn't even believe it, bro.
That's actually crazy. 20K to a mil,
Yeah.
2 days. Nah, like what?
Oh, let me see if I can find it.
Wow. We're just gonna grind up to London now.
Yeah, it looks like
That's sick.
Fuck, I can't find this picture. I gotta find it. Plus 500 and the charts and data were so fast. What's plus 500? It's just like another platform or whatever.
Sounds like it.
But they partner with Top Step X. Oh, gotcha. Fuck, dude. I can't find this picture anywhere. This kid actually made $500,000 in one day and then $500,000 the second day. Like,
That's actually insane.
I couldn't believe it, bro.
Bro made generational within 2 days.
I found it. Oh my god. You ready for this? I'm saying it in the live chat.
Let me see.
Look at that.
Let me see. What the fuck?
Bro, actually, he made him he actually made $1 million.
Is he just five conning that shit?
25 minis, bro, and he bought him in top 6. So like, look at those
25
bro.
million.
Yeah, 25
What the
minis, bro.
fuck?
Ridiculous. Kid actually made he made $1 million. He got the account on a Monday. By Thursday, he had like $1 million ready for withdrawal.
Nah, so like they'll let him take that money out. Nah, Tops is gonna be sick when they have to pay that.
Dude, apparently he was like Top Step's best trader or something. So I like, listen, it sounds like too good to be true and it sounds like unimaginable, but like he showed me pictures, like he showed me him on Discord, like, bro, the kid had $2.2 million in 5 XFAs.
That is fucked.
And on 50Ks, bro, from 5 minis, bro. Like, the kid, I don't understand.
That was like before they like cap payouts, I assume.
This was like a month ago. They just moved him to the
Wow.
live account. Bro, it's
Jesus.
insane, bro. Like, actually.
Yeah, nah, that is actually wild as fuck.
He's not even a kid. He's like 31 years old. Like, he has a full-time job. He just does this for fun. Like,
Well, see, he has to develop frontal lobe.
yeah. You just got some idiots sitting over here fucking, but like, I don't understand, dude. He literally says like he just does it for fun. Like he does it because he thinks it's a game.
That's
like,
insane.
literally. Like, the
Thinks
numbers,
it's a game.
the numbers aren't like
Wow.
real to him. Like,
I mean, that is the method though, because the numbers are fake until they're in your account, really.
it's, I don't get it, bro. I get giddy over making $3,000. Kids sitting on $500,000 in a brokerage.
Nah, that is insane. $1 million in 2 days, top and bottom 6. Like he is wild.
Ridiculous. Gold's gonna win, bro.
Let me see. Damn, that shit fucking moved.
2-minute IFVG tab, bro. It's literally always.
That shit is mirroring NQ perfectly, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck? Why is gold mirroring NQ? Like, that's so weird.
Look at the 2-minute tap again. 2-minute.
For gold or NQ?
Gold. 2-minute
Let's
IFVG.
see.
Tap that bitch. I bet you that's equilibrium right there too. Again.
Yeah, wow.
And that's perfectly equilibrium.
That's insane.
Did we just find a new strat?
Potentially. Just ticket equilibrium.
Literally.
I mean, realistically, that's what is it? That's like AVAL strat.
Is it really? Yeah.
AVAL trades, OTE, and like midpoints of gaps. Like he'll take like OT on a 1 minute and then trade like if the OT aligns like with the midpoint of like a 1 minute gap, he'll limit that.
Mm-hmm.
But like it's weird because he doesn't run like a stop. So like he'll limit it and then he'll put like a stop after like we start displacing.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna see anything honestly here.
Yeah, nah.
I'm over it.
If anything, I would just think we're gonna retrace and just go for the London high at this point because we broke through the high of day.
No, I definitely would want to see higher, but
Is there a 5 minute down here? There is. So we're in a 5 minute right now.
yeah.
But we have SMT up top. Nah. Yeah, I'm gonna get off whenever. I don't know when this shit's gonna actually deliver
Yeah. Nah, fellas.
or if it will.
I'm probably gonna call it here. unfortunately, just another terrible day. Another terrible day.
Not
Not
too
price
clean.
action.
What a surprise.
All right, fellas. We'll catch you guys
So-
on Monday.
So see you guys next week.
Yep. Peace out, fellas.